Okay, kids, this is what you get when you order an ADU5 from ECUmaster USA. Ignore the Amazon box in the background. They are not available on Amazon. You're going to need to go to ECUmasterUSA.com and check these out. Bam. Box is gone. Oh, nicely packaged. A warranty card. Appears to be in Polish, which is fine. That's where these things are built. Poland is known as Europe's little workshop. So if you're looking for quality components to come out of Europe, you're probably looking at stuff that's built in Poland. Alright, so there's the ECUmaster ADU5. It comes with a connector, the unit, and underneath that plastic there's some words and stuff. So let's check that out. There we go. Look at that. Got the display out. Here's what it comes with. Nice. It comes with some mounting studs. I bet. Look at that. Those fit right there on the back. You see the four, they appear black in this video. The four black holes right there. Anyway, mounting studs. You get mounting studs included with your purchase. No sourcing that bullshit. So you can get your stuff mounted up quickly. Also, what we got here? Focus. All right. Got pins. Pins that go in this connector. Unlocked connector. It's got seals on this side. There is a technical name for this type of connector. There, we'll turn it that way so you can like look at it intelligently, unlike how I'm looking at it. With the seal built in, so you put the pins in and then you compress it this way. Does that make sense? You compress it this way and it locks everything in. But the seal is integral to the connector. You just put the pin on the end of your wire and you're good to go. Damn, I'm terrible at videoing. Anyway, so there's a little bit of information about the ADU. That's an advanced display unit. A little bit of information about the advanced display unit software. But what's really cool is that it comes with this diagram. Tells you what you need to hook up there. And also a complete pinout. Awesome. There's no searching on the internet. You can take this, it's laminated. You can see the edges there. It's laminated. You can take this out into the garage. It won't get greasy. Well, if it gets greasy, you wipe the shit off. But anyway, so that's a nice touch. That's way better than like some crappy little link to a website. And then you have an ECUmaster card with a link to your latest software. Anyway, in order to program the ADU5, that's it right there. What? You're going to need one of these. ECUmaster USB to CAN adapter. Comes complete with, there we go, focus. Almost. Anyway, comes complete with a little wiring diagram and instructions for how to do it. It uses a USB, what is that, USB-A connector. Has an on-off switch, and then you run it out to your CAN high and your CAN low through that DB9 connector. That's all I got. I'm super excited to put this thing into my car, and as I go through, as I go through the process of installing it, I will keep you guys updated. Anyway, thanks for checking this out, and I'm excited. So there should be a whole lot more to come.